Greetings, citizens, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name's Brittany. What is your name? Nice to meet ya. Today's video is going to be one of my favorite types of videos to do. It's an unboxing, which I love to do because it always feels like a holiday, like Christmas, every time I get to open up a new box and not really know what's inside. So specifically, today is going to be the spring FabFitFun box. It's been a while since I got one of these. Obviously, it's been about a season, as FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription service. And this is the one for spring, which I'm really excited for because, I mean, look at all the butterflies, first off. I'm a fan of them, if you didn't know, like, from my butterfly vlog and all that jazz. I'm excited about the box, which will probably go in my trash. Actually, I might save this because I need to clean out my closet, and I needed a box for it, so I'll probably use this for that so that I can put a bunch of, you know, it doesn't matter, you don't need my life story, but today's video is going to be unboxing this, obviously. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a seasonal subscription service. It has like lifestyle, beauty, I don't know, a bunch of random stuff in it that's good for that season. It's curated for the weather and the time of year that it's for. I'll leave all the details down below in case you want to sign up. I love it. It's one of my top 2 favorite subscription services. It's one of the only 2 that I still have. I've had a couple that I've cycled through, and the only ones I've kept is FabFitFun and BoxyCharm because they are the best in my opinion. So I think it's time that we just go ahead and stop talking about it and start being about it and get into this box right here. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see what I got in the spring FabFitFun box, just keep on watching. I'm really excited to have like this chill day of just unboxing and talking makeup because it has been an intense day, man. Today's the day that like everyone in the world announced that they're closing everything down due to the coronavirus. Disneyland, the NBA, everything was announced today. So it's been a bit heavy, obviously, like at work, that's all anybody's talking about. And there's obviously like the back and forth debate from the people who think it's like a very serious, like life-threatening thing. And then those that are like, it's the flu. So it's been a heavy conversation. Comment down below and let me know where you land on it because I'm kind of curious since it was very divided in my office. And now let's have some lighthearted unboxing. So this is the magazine for this season. It's a beautiful photo. She is so pretty. This has all the information on the products that are in the box, companies that they may be partnering with on certain items. It's always good to have and gives you a lot of information on the prices and stuff. So I'm excited to have this, and I'll keep it over here for reference. Ooh, okay. Oh, something's falling out. Get back in there. And now let's rip the little stickum, okay? Oh my god, everything's falling. Good. Okay, guys, let's do it. Okay, so first. Okay, the first thing in the box is from Murad. It is their Rapid Collagen Infusion mask, and it retails for $78. Okay, this isn't so much a mask as it is just like a serum that you put on like your moisturizer, and it's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles. I have not tried this, but I have heard from people who have used it that it works really well, and I do like Murad. They are cruelty-free, so I can use them, so I'm into it. I like it a lot, and $78 is already more than the price of this box, so everything from here on out is free, and this was discounted if we're keeping reference. I do apologize for all of the background noise of the cars. I didn't even really consider that. It is the rainiest day in California, and it's very interesting. If I ever was to believe that we are in a simulation, which I'm not saying I do, but I watch conspiracy theory videos. I watched Shane Dawson back when he actually did YouTube, and I've never thought it could be possible as much as I have today, because learning all of this like really sad, heavy news and having all this weird energy in the air and then having all of a sudden it's going to rain for 2 weeks feels a little on the nose, doesn't it? Just a little like, okay, we get it. We're supposed to feel bad. Just saying. Anyway, moving on. Let's keep it in the skincare family and talk about this bad boy. This is the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Moisturizer, and it retails for $40. So it's just like a thick, really intensive moisturizer that you can put on your skin. It says to put on at bedtime, which is when I like to moisturize anyway. I always moisturize at night. Let me give this a little smell. What is that? Ooh, what is that? Tea tree? Ooh. Oh yeah, that smells exactly like a spa. This smells just like that that hand/body wash that we got in last month's box, or last season's box. Which I know at the time I said, oh, I would never use this in the shower, but that's actually what I use it for, and it's still in my shower. I just use that some days and my other moisturizer other days, and this smells exactly like that. So you know what? When I take my shower tonight, I'm going to put this on afterwards and kind of like bask in that scent, because roses. That sounds like a nice layering thing that could be nice. I've heard a lot about layering your scents throughout my existence being a woman, and I'm going to try that tonight. So let's see how that goes. If you want updates, follow me on Instagram. That's where I update you on things that I am enjoying, and if I'm liking it, you'll see it there. Again, we're staying in skincare right now with this next product. It's a very skincare forward box. This is the Pure Lease Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. So it is like a face mask that you put on. Do you leave this on? So this is the packaging, and it literally doesn't tell you how to use it. So I'm going to have to look into this online, but I do like things that are watermelon scented. It's got a little thingamajig. Yeah, it smells nice. It doesn't smell aggressively watermelon. I think the packaging is cute. I have used things from this brand in the past, I believe, and I can't remember what I thought, but I'm excited to try this. It says it's a peel. Let me know if you've tried this down below, and I'll look into it and figure out what it's for. But this retails for $35. Okay, we have our last skincare item. This is a very skincare forward box, which I'm not against. Let me tell you, I do like skincare. I like getting skincare because I hate buying skincare. And I have used something from this brand before. I actually have a body oil from this brand. This brand is, okay, we're going to try to pronounce this together. You ready? This is the Jaboneria Marianella Imperial Jade Body Oil. So what I like to use body oils for, I don't put them straight on my body just by themselves because, I don't know, that just seems like a lot. What I like to do is put my moisturizer in my hand, something that doesn't have a large scent, and then I put this couple pumps in with it, rub it together, and then put it on my skin. And then I feel like it's less, I don't know, less oily, or I'm using an oil, but you still get the moisturizing benefits of using it. And then I feel like it lasts a bit longer because, what, that was 48? Was that 48? Oh, 68. Jesus, $70. I'm going to feel like a rich person when I use this. So yeah, I definitely want this to last. When I say I have another one of these, it's one that I definitely got in a subscription service because I would never spend that much money, especially on a body oil because, again, I just mix them. They're not like something that I covet. So that's very expensive, and I'm excited to get it in the box so I can try it out. Very sparingly. Okay, the next item we have here is for the hair. This is from AG Hair. It's their fast food leave-on conditioner. It's just a leave-in conditioner that you put in your hair after you wash it. Yeah, clean, damp hair, focusing on the ends, comb it through to kind of give you some nice, moisturized, luscious locks. I'll have to give this a try since I am still doing the natural hair journey. Using things like this are very useful to me because I get a lot of, you know, this going on, especially with the rain, so I will be giving this a shot. I have a couple in my cupboard right now that I'm cycling through, and I will add this to the collection. And this retails for $24, so it's a decent priced item. Not like exorbitantly priced like some of these other items on the sale, but it's still $24 that I didn't have to spend on this specifically. Okay, we are down to our last three items, and this one is one that I'm pretty sure I got to customize, and I was super stoked about. Okay, guys. So this is from the brand Chic and Tonic, and it is their silicone straw set. It includes silicone straws, a cleaner, and a carrying case. I am very excited about this because I am one of the people that don't use plastic straws. That's just, you know, who I am. I've got my husband doing it now too, which is great. And these are silicone. Okay, so my biggest issue with reusable straws is that, one, can't clean them, which now that's not an issue because I got a brush cleaner. And two, the metal ones kind of freak me out because I've heard of people who are like drinking and then like fall and like, you know, and I'm not about that life. So these are like, let me open it and show you. Look, they're like a nice like rubbery soft little thing, and it comes with a little brush. I'm going to take these to work so I can keep it on my desk for when my office does Starbucks runs because that's when it happens the most. And then it comes with a little carrying case so you can take one with you in your purse. So I'll like fold one over like a noodle, put it in there, and then take it. I'll probably put the green one so that matches, and I'll take it to work. And then I won't have to use, well, I don't, but I'll have the ability to use a straw, which will be pretty freaking nice. This is actually like a really big, happy addition to this box. This might not be something that excites everyone, but if you are someone who likes using straws and doesn't like using straws, you know what I mean? This is a really cool thing to get in here. So thank you to FabFitFun for including this and being conscious in that way, because a lot of people are being more conscious, and I think that it's great to include things like this so that people see that the alternatives are good alternatives. You know what I mean? It's awesome. It's awesome. And this retails for $15. That's $15 I didn't have to spend on straws, which I'm sure a lot of people will be like, $15 for straws? No, thank you. And that's why it's good to include them so that people who wouldn't normally go out and buy them can try them and see that it's worth it. So I'm happy about that. Okay, moving on. Okay, this next item is from the brand Amber Skeets, and it's their double coin necklace, which is just 2 coins layered in gold. As I'm sure you can see, and it retails for $50. I'm pretty sure every piece of jewelry I own, with the exception of my wedding ring, is from FabFitFun. Because when they have things, I do tend to choose them just because I do not buy jewelry because I can't justify spending that money. But I do like to have it in case there's ever an occasion I want to wear it, which doesn't come up often, but that's why I do it in these types of subscription services, so I do have the option when I want them. And $50, I would never spend $50 on this. I would see it and I'd be like, nah, I don't need it. But now I have it, even though I didn't need it. So let's try. Ooh, it is pretty. Let me try it on real quick. Help. Help. Pinched my hair. As you may be able to see, I don't jewelry. Really need somebody who knows how to jewelry. Okay, there's a linkage. There's a linkage happening. Now a sinkage, a dinkage, and a sinkage. Help. I'm choked. Look! I'm fancy girl. Let me see. Oh, that's really cute. I don't ever wear anything low. Could you even see? Probably not. But it's really cute. I don't ever wear anything low cut enough that you'd be able to ever see the bottom one. But the top one's really cute. No one ever sees my décolletage. Décolletage. That's cute. I like it. I like it a lot. And for $50, I would never spend it, but I'm excited to have it. Okay, we have one last item. Let's look at it together. This is from the brand Caravan Diamond, and it is a woven rug that retails for $48. It's supposed to add bohemian flair to your space with the black and white woven rug. Obviously, I want to add some bohemian flair to my life. I actually did choose this. This is one of the ones that I chose, and I chose it because I think it could be kind of cute to put under my dog's water dish and water and food dish, just to make it look a little less, you know, I don't know. I'm a girl. I'm trying to be a girl. I'm trying to be a lady. I'm trying to have a lady-like life, and I feel like ladies make things look cute. Oh yeah, this is a good size. Look, can you tell? Perfect size for dog water dishes. Love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. I think this will be really perfect. I would never spend this amount of money on a rug because, again, not the life I live. But I'm excited to have it, and I think that it's a cool thing to end this video on. Jesus, it's the end of the day. I don't know if you can tell by like how bad my makeup's looking right now, but it is the end of the day. I worked all day today, and now I am doing this because I found this outside my door today in the rain. But anyways, that is everything I got in this month's FabFitFun. I will do the math for you, and then in editing, I will put the price on the screen right here, and I will try to put the price on the screen for each product as we go as well. So that is the total retail price that you just saw that I don't know yet. So I'm going to guess $348. That's the number that popped into my head, so let's see how close I was. I'll put on the screen like the difference, and hopefully I won by Price is Right rules. But anyways, guys, that completes this video. Please make sure to ring the bell and subscribe and join the Brat Pack. I would love to have you here. Let me know down below if you got anything different in your box or what your favorite thing was I got in my box, and just say hi. You know, any engagement is good engagement on the YouTube, and I would love to have you here forever. But anyways, I meant it when I said goodbye. Thanks for being here when you could be anywhere else in the world. I really do appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.